Welcome to the Ultimate MetaSounds Reference Guide, Filters, Part 3. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the mono and stereo band splitters. These nodes come in both mono and stereo, as well as 2 to 5 bands. They are designed to split the audio signal based on frequency content, and then output each group of frequencies as their own signal. To explain these nodes, I'm actually going to start at the bottom with the crossover, as this input is really what defines this node. The crossover input is what decides where to split the audio signal. For example, by default, this node's crossover is set to 500. This means anything below 500 Hz will be sent out to output 0, and anything above 500 Hz will be sent to output 1. It's important to note, however, that this is not a hard cutoff, but rather a roll-off. That means that there will still be some frequencies slightly above or below your crossover point that are included in the output. You can control this amount by changing the filter order. The filter order adjusts how harsh or gradual the roll-off is. The higher the number, the more aggressive the roll-off. The other input is the phase compensation boolean. Because there is that small pocket of frequencies inside the crossover point, that means that these frequencies will actually be sent to both outputs, thus duplicating them. When you have duplicate audio signals that are playing in perfect phase, it will actually cause the amplitude of those frequencies to be increased. Checking this box will adjust the phase of the frequencies in this pocket to compensate for the amplitude increase and smooth the signal back out. To see the full list of videos in this reference guide, click the link to the playlist in the description below.